Today I'm going to make homemade stuffing. I'll put the list of ingredients and utensils you'll need on my video. You can pause the video, write them down, and then we'll get started. We'll start by toasting the bread. Next we'll cut the bread into cubes. We'll put half of the cubes back into one of our bread bags. And we'll do the same with the other half of the cubes. Next we'll crush our dried sage and we'll add our other spices. We'll divide our spices in half and we'll add one part of the spices to one of the bags and we'll shake it to distribute the spices. Then we'll do the same for the other bag. For the meat stuffing, we'll put the neck and the giblets in a pan, cover it with water, and we'll simmer that for about 2 hours. Next, we'll wash our celery. And we'll cut the stalks lengthwise. And then we'll chop the celery into small pieces. Next, we'll peel and chop our onion. Then we'll add our onion to the celery and we'll mix them together. Next, we'll melt our butter. Next, we'll add our celery and onion to the pan of melted butter and we'll saute them covered until the celery gets a bit soft and the onion is translucent. We've been simmering the turkey neck and the gizzards for about 2 hours, and we'll cover it and put it in the refrigerator overnight to cool because we don't want to stuff the turkey until Thanksgiving morning, which is tomorrow. Alright, we've cooked our celery and our onions in the butter and we'll put this in the refrigerator overnight. For our vegetarian stuffing, we'll saute the sausages in the same pan that we used to cook the celery and the onion. Next, we'll dissolve our vegetarian bouillon in water and we'll keep that in the refrigerator, and tomorrow morning we'll assemble our stuffing. Okay, so for our vegetarian stuffing, we're going to grease a casserole dish. Next, we'll put all of our croutons in a large pot. We'll add our cooked celery and onion. We'll lay our sausages on a cutting board and we'll slice the sausages. Next, we'll toss in the chopped sausage. Now we'll add our vegetable bouillon. We want to be careful not to pour it in all at once because we want to be able to cover, at least in part, all the croutons. Okay, before we put the stuffing in the pan, we'll grease a sheet of aluminum foil. Okay, now we'll put our stuffing in our casserole pan. Okay, I've decided that this stuffing is just a little bit dry, so I'm going to sprinkle on some more of our vegetable bouillon. Not too much. Next, we'll cover it, casserole pan, with aluminum foil with the butter side down. And we're going to put this in the oven to bake. Okay, so we've had our stuffing in the oven for about a half an hour, and we're going to remove the foil and put it back in to let the top get crusty. Okay, so we've been baking our stuffing for about a half an hour, and for our last step, we're going to pour some melted butter on top. So there you have it, homemade vegetarian stuffing.